This video is about changing the materials on a project. So at the moment, let's say we want to change our glazing type. We can easily find out glazing type we have at the moment two ways. You can go to Tools, Elements, go to the Windows and select the glazing type that you're using, and you will see it highlighted in the list in bold. So in this case, it's the second one up from the bottom. So if I want to change from one glazing type to another, I merely go to Edit, Global Change Elements. The fact that it's a window, it picks the window that we're already using at the moment. We can filter these windows based on profile, floor, or zone, and we then change to the glazing type we want to swap to. I'm going to change to the Insulite 10 Active. Select OK, and that means every glazing type of the previous window will be changed to the new one. So then if I select any space, go into the face data, go into the wall and then select the windows, it's now using the new glazing type. Exactly the same applies to the fabrics as well, whether they're ceilings, walls or floors. Same principle applies.